Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon that you can't miss my videos. Okay, now I will explain you some people who shaped IT means information technology. Today, the internet has made our world a global village. An invention that began as part of American defense requirement evolved into one of mankind's most useful inventions. Windsurf and Bob Kahn, the fathers of internet, divided the modern era into two with their invention before and after the internet. Another milestone came when search engines were introduced. The first ever search engine created by Alan Emtage paved the way for many other successful search engines like Yahoo and Google. The history of information technology is filled with path breaking developments, and legends like Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, and Mark Zuckerberg have transformed our world and civilization. Now, let's talk about some people who became legends in information technology. First, Windsurf. The internet is something we all are familiar with today. In fact, it is considered to be the most important development of the 20th century, which brought the world to our fingerprints. So, who was the master brain behind this major invention? He is Windsurf. Windsurf is undoubtedly one of the most important personalities of the 20th century. He was born on June 23, 1943, to Winton Thurston Cerf, an employee in an astronautical company, and Muriel Cerf. Regarded as a pioneer in the field of information technology, Cerf is one of the fathers of internet, along with Bob Kahn. Cerf designed internet protocols named Transmission Control Protocol (TCP) and nearing to the first commercial email service named MCI Mail. He won the prestigious A.M. Turing Award on what is known as the Nobel Prize of Computer Science in 2004. Cerf's conditions to the world of information technology are incomparable. Next, Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee was born on June 8, 1955 in London to Mary Lee Woods and Conway Berners-Lee. His parents were both computer programmers who had worked on the Ferranti Mark I, the first commercially built computer. British computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee's invention of the World Wide Web has been a landmark in the world history. He designed a system which helped users across the world to view web pages through the internet. It was while working at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, that Lee first described the concept of a global system based on hypertext that allowed users anywhere in the world to share information. In 1989, he put forth the idea of linking hypertext with the internet to create a system for sharing information globally. The system was named World Wide Web. On August 6, 1991, the world's first website was launched explaining the concept of the World Wide Web. A genius with high humanitarian values, Lee's contribution to the world is immense. His World Wide Web Foundation seeks to ensure that the web serves humanity. Then Larry Page. Not many wings of the internet have been as influential as Google, the most successful search engine in the history of IT. Its popularity is such that the very own team Google has entered our common parlance. For any doubt regarding anything under and above the sun, one seeks to Google it up. This credit goes to the founders of Google, that is, Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Larry Page was born on March 26, 1973, in Michigan, to Gloria and Carol Page. Larry Page, the American computer scientist, was a research student in Stanford University. When he co founded Google, the search engine, He developed listed results of any query according to the importance of the pages. Google was named after Google, a mathematical term. Since its introduction, Google has been the most popular search engine, receiving around 5 billion searches daily. Larry Page, who was CEO of the firm, was ranked 17 on the Forbes list of most powerful people in 2013. At present, Sundaram Pichai is the CEO of Google. In August 2015, Page and Brin created Alphabet, a new parent company to oversee Google and its subsidiaries. Page is also the inventor of PageRank, Google's search ranking algorithm. As of November 2016, Larry Page is known to be the 12th most richest person in the world. Then the next person is Sergey Brin, Soviet-born American computer scientist, and Sergey Brin is one of the two founders of Google. He was born on August 21st in 1973 in Moscow to Michael Brin, a mathematician, and Eugenia Brin, a scientist at NASA's Space Flight Center. The story behind the birth of the world's biggest search engine is not a simple one. There was much hard work and effort behind it. It was initially conceived as a research project when the two were pursuing their PhD at Stanford University. As the name suggested, Google had to work to contain a vast amount of data that was to be explored by its users. The company Google Inc. had a very humble beginning and was opened in a rented garage in Menlo Park, California. With an initial amount of around $1 million, Page and Brin set up the company at Googleplex in California in 1998. However, their hard work did pay off, and by 2013, Google became the most sought after search engine with an average of 5 billion searches in a day. The company also expanded to create multiple projects, including Google Maps, iGoogle, Google Radar, Google Earth, and many other Google apps. And popular mobile operating system Android was also developed by Google. Thank you.